This is the routine soft cataract, and I put in my incisions, put in some HPMC. I'm going to go ahead and do a 5.5 mm rhexis. I'm just putting in some HPMC over the cornea as well, and with my bent 26 gauge needle, it's around a 5.5 mm rhexis, more than enough. The rhexis and the nuclear disassembly and emulsification is all unedited, as is usual with all my videos. I do edit out the idle parts. So here I have prolapsed out this nucleus, rotated out with my hydrodissection cannula itself, and targeting the nuclear epinuclear junction. I'm trying to carousel this. Sometimes it doesn't go as you planned, so I'm just trying to get it into a bit better accessibility before I actually engage phaco. At this time I'm not in phaco mode, just trying to turn it, and there I just moved away that epinuclear bit, in fact aspirated it, and then I target that nucleus, and here's that carousel that I was actually planning right from the beginning. And those are the last pieces. That's it. The whole nucleus is done. There's a bit in the paracentesis area, as is the usual case. I get that out, taken my bimanual, and start aspirating all the remaining cortex from the capsular bag. Sometimes it can be a little time consuming, not much, and this is because probably the hydrodissection was actually a hydrodelineation, and hence there's a little bit of a difficulty getting out the rest of the cortex. However, with a little patience and switching hands, everything is done. Making sure I get out each and every bit of that cortex. Just checking, and then put in some HPMC. I'm cleaning the capsule with the tip of the HPMC cannula itself as I inject visco, and in this case I'm putting a multi-piece Hoya lens, and just watch how these lenses are a little difficult to manipulate. So as soon as the leading haptic presents itself, you have to rotate it almost 180 degrees, get it into that bag, make sure it goes into the bag, the leading haptic. You can do the whole thing with this shooter, but sometimes a bit risky, so I prefer to do it this way. I sort of dial it and tuck in the trailing haptic with my Sinski hook, and this is much safer. That's it. It's well and truly in the bag. I then remove all the HPMC, put in my intracameral antibiotic, and conclude the search. Thank you so much for watching.